Have you ever been a victim of poor shoddy services that you cannot forget? Products that have failed during warranty and you have to struggle to get it addressed? Goods received from an e-commerce website of poor quality and then the stated written policy not being honored? Selecting an address on a ride-sharing app and the taxi landing at a wrong location and you missing your flight, etc., etc.? If the answer is yes, then the channel Customer is just for you. Hello, I am Alok Kumar, founder of Experience Integrators. Having 40 years of experience in the field of customer experience, I have always felt the need to provide a platform where customer issues can be better heard. I'm delighted to make this channel available to all suffering customers, or shall I say customer. This will be your platform to air any of your past bad experiences that you wish to share so that it never gets repeated. Or if you want an unresolved problem that you want to reach the service provider. It's my conviction that no government or company wants to deliberately provide bad service or a bad experience to the customers or citizens. So once your voice reaches them through this channel, we believe they will act quickly on your specific complaint and will also work at improving the systems so that the customer experience gets better in future. We'll reach your voice to them. Please send your experience, problem you want to share via video, email, describing a problem to the under-mentioned email or WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box. If you want this customer channel to be a strong platform for helping suffering customers, please do not forget to press the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Here is Vivek Kumar, who is an international award-winning short filmmaker and a software professional in Australia. He shares his customer experience of using Ola, Uber in India.
हेलो, मेरा नाम विवेक कुमार है और मैं मेलबोर्न में रहता हूँ और इंडिया मेरा आना जाना लगा रहता है क्योंकि अपना बचपन वहाँ गुजरा और हमारे सभी लोग वहाँ पर रहते हैं तो हम लोग आते जाते रहते हैं। मेरी प्रॉब्लम है एक जिसको मैं आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि शायद कोई इसका आगे सॉल्यूशन निकले। ये प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड है उबर ओला बुकिंग्स की। बात नवंबर की है पिछले 2023 की। मैं अपनी पत्नी के साथ इंडिया आया हुआ था और आने के साथ साथ हमारे पास लगेज था। हम लोग गुड़गांव में अपने सिस्टर इन लॉ के पास आए हुए थे और वहाँ से हमको एक दिन निकल के नोएडा जा रहे थे हम अपने सिस्टर के पास। तो उबर बुक करी और अपने सेक्टर में थे जहाँ पर वहाँ पर नीचे उतर के हम सामान के साथ एक एक्सपेक्टेड टाइम के अनुसार वहाँ वेट कर रहे थे। लगभग करीब आने से 5 मिनट पहले उसने मैंने देखा कि वो कैंसिल हो गई गाड़ी कैंसिल हो गई थी। उबर की दूसरी असाइन हुई और उसको करते करते वो भी 5-7 मिनट में कैंसिल हो गई। अब तीसरी बार जब ऐसा हुआ कि जब एक तीसरी गाड़ी असाइन हुई तो मैंने उस जो ड्राइवर का नंबर शेयर होता है उसको मैंने कॉल किया। मैंने कहा भाई तू कहाँ है? तो कह रहा था कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे हूँ, आपको कहाँ जाना है? मैंने कहा मेरे को नोएडा सा फला सेक्टर में जाना है एंड समहाउ उसने कहा कि ठीक है मैं पहुँच रहा हूँ, बट दैट वन ऑल्सो गॉट कैंसल्ड। अब 15-20-25 मिनट हमारे निकल चुके थे, धूप में खड़े थे, दोपहर का समय था, वाइफ की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, सामान साथ में था, हम कहीं इधर उधर हिल भी नहीं सकते थे। करते करते चौथी पांचवी और गाड़ी में हर बारी मैं बात करता था और लगता था कि जैसे कि वो आ रहा है, साउंडेड जेन्युइन। एनी हाउ करते करते 30-35-40 मिनट हो गए। गुस्से का पारा चढ़ता जा रहा था और हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि आखिर करें क्या। अंत में एक जब असाइन हुआ तो मैंने उसको गुस्सा भी था और तैश भी था और उससे रिक्वेस्ट की भी भावना थी कि भाई ये तो खाली गुस्सा करने से तो काम चलेगा नहीं। मैंने हाथ जोड़े, उसको मैंने प्लीड किया। मैंने कहा भाई तू आ जा, किसी भी तरह से मैं तेरे को 200-300 जो भी रुपए ऊपर होते हैं मैं दूंगा तेरे को। तू बोल तो सही, तू आ जा, मेरी वाइफ की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और अब अति हो चुकी है और मुझे पहुंचना जरूरी है। उसने कहा मैं आ रहा हूँ, उसी तरह से बोला जैसे पहले बोले थे। मेरे पास कोई चारा नहीं था, मैं खड़ा वेट करता रहा। आखिरकार 45 मिनट के बाद एक गाड़ी आई, उसमें हम बैठते हैं और फाइनली घर पहुंचते हैं 1 घंटा लेट। तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम आपने समझी कि ये जो ऑफन उबर या ओला, ये दोनों में एक्सपीरियंस होता है। ये तो मैंने एक आपको नमूना पेश किया है, ऐसे अक्सर नमूने आते हैं जब आपको ड्राइवर कैंसिल कर देते हैं या आपसे बोलते हैं कि कैंसिल कर दो, तो समझ में नहीं आता है कि इसका तोड़ क्या है, इसको कैसे रोका जाए। क्या उबर या ओला कुछ कर सकते हैं, या इनके ऊपर कुछ पेनल्टी हो सकती है, या कुछ भी, whatever. So I look forward for a solution to such a simple and awkward problem.
Ola, Uber are new age aggregated taxi model that offers a digital technology platform for connecting available taxis signed up with them and customers needing a ride, all in real time. This has opened up the possibility of much quicker access to a taxi when needed by a customer and for a driver to get more rides per day, and this has reduced their idle time. Technology platform providers like Ola and Uber earn 20% commission plus more for other supplementary charges for every ride booked on their platform. It should have been a win-win model for all. So what went wrong in India? Ola received a huge venture capital funding and they scaled up in India fast, even beyond the main cities to smaller towns, where customers tasted the convenience of ordering taxis fast through an app. It seemed like a fairy tale of a great Indian success story when they later expanded to overseas markets in Australia, New Zealand, UK. Focus on just growth without a corresponding attention to a key pillar of brand loyalty, the core rider experience provided by the taxi drivers, meant the experience slowly started to deteriorate. Badly maintained taxis, drivers insisting on knowing the destination and then choosing to honor the ride, or cancel at their own whim started to become the norm, and it has become an everyday nightmare for the customer. In smaller towns where only Ola is present, customers remain at mercy of drivers who take the booking through the app and then haggle, negotiate, and if not satisfied, cancel the ride. Such experiences have led to Ola's market share falling from a high of 59% to around 30% now. They have recently closed down their operations in Australia, New Zealand, and are struggling in UK. Lessons: business built on venture capital funding cannot survive long-term on growth funded just by money. Customer experience has to be ensured. Ola has now diverged attention to becoming an electric vehicle manufacturing player and is again pumping in huge money. Again, venture capital funds into this. We are hoping this time around the right customer experience systems are built into its business model and executed equally passionately as growth is pursued. Uber, spread across the world, deliver a much better rider experience focusing on safety of passengers, quality of vehicles, driver behavior, etc. Their modeling and operating standards have evolved from more exacting regulatory controls in developed countries and by competing with other strong players in markets across the world. Net result, their market share has been rising in all towns they operate in India. However, since a lot of taxi drivers switch between Ola and Uber, the bad practice of cancellation is faced by a lot of Uber users also, especially at peak times and emergencies. In customer experience, the highest weightage for any product or service is for reliability. In taxi aggregator, this translates to 100% ride assurance guarantee. Uber, along with the Transport Consumer Affairs Regulatory Authorities of India, have to see how they can provide help to customers. Some suggested solutions, which we from experience integrators think can work: drivers, once accepting a ride, cannot cancel from the rent, and customers given an option to book another ride after flagging of driver unwillingness to honor the earlier booking. Since the driver cannot cancel the ride from his end, he has to call up the aggregator office, explain the reasons why he wants to cancel, and if explanation provided is accepted, the app is unlocked for further booking. Regulation by government to ensure all taxi aggregators have to have this feature and process built into the app has to be ensured. Setting up a central toll-free complaint helpline number by transport authorities for customers to register any unruly incidents from any aggregator service providers and publishing this data monthly. Thank you. I hope this information was useful. In case you also have such real life customer experiences where you feel you have not been heard or your problem have not been solved, you could contact us on the email address or WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Attention, young bloggers and reel makers across India. Are you passionate about making a difference in your community? Here's your chance to become a customer reporter and be the voice of customers in your city. What does it mean to be a customer reporter? Your cash awards. Your submitted video reel stories of customer struggles will earn you a cash award. If your video is selected, of course. Exclusive merchandise. Receive a specially designed customer t-shirt as a token of appreciation. Visibility. Your story will be featured on the customer channel with your photo and credits. Local champion. Experience the satisfaction of contributing to solving customer problems in your city and become a local hero. Annual event. Get invited to an exclusive annual event for customer reporters who have submitted 3 or more stories. How to apply? Send your details expressing your interest in becoming a customer reporter to the email ID or WhatsApp number provided below. If shortlisted, you'll be contacted. The email address is given below, the WhatsApp number is given below. Join us in this inspiring journey of making a tangible impact, one compelling story at a time, as we strive to champion the voice of customers across India.